In this video, we have picked the top 5 cordless hedge trimmers based on ease of use, power, comfort, and overall performance. Whether you need a lightweight trimmer for quick touch-ups, a powerful tool for thick branches, or a comfortable option for long trimming sessions, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and find the best hedge trimmer for your needs. At number 5, WORX Cordless Hedge Trimmer. If you need a lightweight and easy-to-handle trimmer, the WORX WG261 is a great choice. It weighs only 5.5 pounds, making it comfortable to use while still being powerful enough to cut through thick branches. The 22-inch dual-action blades cut in both directions for a cleaner and faster trim, reducing strain on your hands. The D-grip handle allows you to cut from multiple angles, whether you are trimming the tops of hedges or reaching down for lower areas. One of its best features is the PowerShare battery system. If you own other WORX tools, you can use the same battery, saving you money on extra batteries. If you want an easy-to-use hedge trimmer that gets the job done without the hassle, this is a great option. At number 4, BLACK+DECKER 20-volt MAX Cordless Hedge Trimmer LHT222. Zero for those looking for smooth performance with less vibration, the BLACK+DECKER 20-volt MAX is a smart choice. The 22-inch dual-action steel blades reduce vibration by 40%, giving you better control and less fatigue. It can cut through branches up to 3/4 of an inch thick, making it great for handling dense hedges. The wraparound front handle provides a secure grip for both vertical and horizontal trimming, and the soft grip handle with a full-length trigger makes it even more comfortable to use. Since it is part of the BLACK+DECKER 20-volt MAX system, you can swap batteries with other BLACK+DECKER tools, keeping you working without delays. If you want a comfortable and efficient hedge trimmer that reduces strain on your hands, this is an excellent choice. At number 3, DEWALT 20-volt MAX Cordless Hedge Trimmer DCHT820P1. If you need serious power for bigger jobs, the DEWALT 20-volt MAX is built for performance and durability. With a high-output motor, this trimmer easily cuts through branches up to 3/4 of an inch thick without slowing down. The 22-inch laser-cut hooked tooth blades are designed for sharp and precise cuts, helping you achieve a clean and professional look. The included 5.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery provides a longer runtime so you can finish your work without needing frequent recharges. Even with its power, it is compact and lightweight, making it easy to handle. Since it is part of the DEWALT 20-volt MAX system, the battery is compatible with a wide range of DEWALT tools. If you need a powerful hedge trimmer that handles thick branches with ease, this is a great investment. At number 2, Greenworks 24-volt 22-inch cordless hedge trimmer. If you want comfort and flexibility, the Greenworks 24-volt hedge trimmer is designed for ease of use in multiple positions. The 180-degree rotating rear handle lets you adjust your grip effortlessly, so you can trim from different angles without straining your wrists. The 22-inch dual-action steel blades ensure smooth and precise cuts. With a 5/8-inch cutting capacity, this trimmer is ideal for medium to light trimming tasks. The aluminum rail cover protects the blades during storage, helping extend their life. It comes with a 2.0 amp-hour battery and charger, so you can start trimming right away. Plus, it includes a 3-year tool warranty, giving you extra peace of mind. If you want a user-friendly trimmer that offers precision and flexibility, this is a top choice. At number 1, CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Hedge Trimmer CMCHT810C. 1. If you want a reliable and well-balanced hedge trimmer, the CRAFTSMAN V20 is an excellent all-around option. It runs on a V20 MAX 1.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, providing consistent power for routine trimming tasks. The 20-inch dual-action blades deliver clean and precise cuts while reducing vibration, making it comfortable to use for longer periods. The full wraparound handle allows for better control and comfort, whether you are trimming hedges at different angles or tackling overgrown shrubs. Another great feature is its VersaTrack compatibility, meaning you can easily store it using the VersaTrack wall organization system. If you are looking for a durable and easy-to-store hedge trimmer that delivers consistent performance, this is a fantastic pick. Choosing the best cordless hedge trimmer depends on your needs, whether it's lightweight design, powerful cutting performance, or extended battery life. Each of these top picks offers something unique, from reduced vibration for comfort to high-output motors for heavy-duty trimming. No matter which one you go for, a cordless hedge trimmer will give you the freedom and flexibility to keep your yard looking sharp without the hassle of cords.